Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on video or photo flashlight on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just simply open up your camera app. Once you're here, just tap on the arrow button on the top or just simply swipe up on your screen and this will pop up, and as you can see there's a lightning icon or flashlight icon right there on the very left side right here. So just simply tap on it. So as you can see here on the leftmost side of your screen, you will see this icon. Then you can either set it to auto or on. And that's the same goes for video mode. Let's go to video right here. If you tap on the flashlight icon right there, or you could just go swipe up on your screen again to reveal the menu. So just simply tap on the flashlight icon right here. And as you can see, you could also set it to off, or you could set it to on or auto. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.